Hello, welcome to Learn English with Honna. I'm Honna and I will help you learn real English step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry, we will learn together. Hello. 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 Listen and repeat after me. Hello. Very good. Hi. Hi means hello. Hi. 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 Listen and repeat after me. Hi. Great job. Hello. Hi. Awesome job. Bye. Goodbye. Bye and goodbye mean the same thing. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Listen and repeat after me. Bye. Great job. Goodbye. Goodbye. Very good. Hello. What did I say? Very good. Hi. What did I say? Great job. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What did I say? Amazing. Goodbye. Goodbye. What did I say? Awesome job. Hello. Bye. English uses the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hello. Hi. Bye. Goodbye. Make sure to write these words in a notebook. Amazing job today. Today we learned hello, hi, bye, and goodbye. See you in lesson 2 for My Name Is. Bye-bye.